Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to start or stop the Windows Media Player network sharing service on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for Windows Media Player network sharing service. Windows Media Player network sharing service. Double click on it, and if the service status is stopped, you just need to start it. If you want to start or stop by your preferences, you just need to do it, guys. After doing it, select apply and OK for save changes, guys. If you want to stop, then you just need to click on stop, and for save changes click on apply and OK. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.